my name is Louie and you're watching Where in Pampanga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hensonville para ma-experience ang B&B. Tara, pasok tayo. So yun, dumating na yung mga order natin. Ang gagawin natin, tikman natin naman. So usually sa B&B, if you are curious, ang pangalan niya ay barbecue and beer. So most of the menu here are yun nga, barbecue, and they also serve liquor. But surprisingly, they got hundreds of menu. Actually, meron akong menu dito. So, kung bibilangin natin to, they got around 150, I think. 150 menu. So, ito yung mga ano natin, best seller nila. Yan, titingnan natin. So, of course, there's the pork barbecue. Ito. Pork barbecue. Sarap. Malambot. Malambot. They also got this boneless bangus. So if you are into fish, so they got this soy sauce. Meron din siya salmon. Yeah. This is what? Around 210 pesos. So this is salmon in lemon sauce. Correct? We don't dip it. Anyway, just dip it. Lemon and butter sauce. Lemon and butter sauce. Wow. So dito rin, they keep the restaurant family friendly, family oriented. So as you can see, meron tayo dito salad, merong pizza, merong kare-kare, spicy kare-kare, and sa mga finger foods natin, buffalo wings. Of course, kapag barbecuehan, hindi mawawala ang isaw. Okay? Sabi ni Sir Jinggoy, who is the owner of the restaurant, they want to keep it family oriented at the same time budget friendly. Yan. So para ka daw kumakain sa kanto na ayos ang ambience. Well, anyway, let's taste the isaw. Sarap. Well, lastly to taste is this. Paldewut. So this is 60 pesos. Ito yung chicken bat. Sarap. Cheers. So once again, we would like to thank BNB for inviting us and giving us this really generous table. As you can see, ubusin namin to ng team. By the way, BNB is located in Richthofen Avenue, Hensonville, Barangay Malabanias, Angeles City. So if you guys wanna chill or eat with your family, at least family friendly pa rin yung place. So this is the place to go, BNB. Thank you very much. Salute. Once again, my name is Louis Season, and if you do like this video and gusto nyong itag yung friend mo na pumunta dito, just share this. And until our next experience, my name is Louis. Bye!